Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of logging into Payoneer for fast freelance banking access. Whether you're a new user or just need a quick refresher, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Payoneer works seamlessly on all major browsers. Step 2. Navigate to the Payoneer website. In the address bar, type in the official Payoneer website, URL www.payoneer.com. Make sure to use the official site to ensure your data's security. Troubleshooting. Step 3. Click on the Login button. Once you're on the Payoneer homepage, look for the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter your email address. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, input the email address associated with your Payoneer account. Make sure to double-check your email for any typos. Step 5. Input your password. Next, enter your password in the designated field. Ensure that you type it correctly, as passwords are case-sensitive. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. Step 6. Solve any CAPTCHA. To enhance security, Payoneer may require you to solve a CAPTCHA. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. This ensures that you're logging in as a human user. Step 7. Click on the Login button. After entering your email and password and completing the CAPTCHA, click the Login button. Step 8. Two-factor authentication, if enabled. If you've enabled two-factor authentication on your account, you will receive a verification code via SMS or email. Enter the code in the provided field to gain access to your account. Step 9. Access your dashboard. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Payoneer dashboard. Here, you can manage your transactions, transfer funds, and utilize all the features Payoneer offers for freelancers. Conclusion. By following these simple steps, you can easily log into your Payoneer account and access all the necessary tools for your freelance banking needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.